This is Vision air cooler. So today in this video I am gonna show you how you can start Vision air cooler, how you can increase this and everything. So first you need to power it on plug. So after that, so you can see this, and now here is the power button. Tap on it. After that you will see speed button. Again tap. So it started and it's calling. Okay, and this is timer, so you can set timer, like if you want to stop this after 15 minutes, then you can time 15 minutes later it will be stopped. And this is call button, if you want to make it more cooler, then it will be giving us more calling. This is breezy option, swing, so it's around the room spread. So that's how you can connect your Vision air cooler. Thanks for watching.